Nobody wants to be with somebody that loves them.
No, people hate that.
You want to be with somebody who doesn't like you.
Ideal.
I am never saying I love you again unless they say it first.
Word. Niggas that'll tell you in the most endearing manner that D. Jones is for everybody.
H-Town with J Jr. or with J Hard and I'm cooler. And the way the bras are choosing us. So think about the move I used to. Nigga got that black bottles all day. Black bottles all day. Half the bees in my suitcase. On the ground I'm probably all day. Cause I'm in H-Town and I'm coolin'.
My favorite bitch at Dream be stripping around too. She let us say what you think you for coming through. She gon' get you on your feelings to get you out of your loot. Oh, she don't love you.
She don't. She don't. She don't. She
Are you confident in the I love you return?
50-50.
Because if you don't get that return, it's a pretty big matzo ball hanging out there.
Dude, just gotta say it once. Everybody else gets to say it. Why can't I say it?
What, you never said it?
Once to a dog.
H-Town with J